Okay, so cauliflower, can be a little daunting to get into, but so I'm just going to now you can actually cook it with all the greens on it if you want. I personally, for this, you don't really need to do it. Okay, so what we want to do is just break it. See how the inside of the cauliflower, it's got kind of a central sort of stem with all of the florets on it. So we're just going to cut those off. Now if you want to, you can kind of, I sometimes will stick my knife in and core it, but this is so much easier. There we go. What I'm going to do is put these, break them up, and put them into the bottom of a steamer and just steam them until they're just al dente. Now